If you want to perform a hard reset and remove password unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, grab your USB-C cable and make sure to connect one part of it to your laptop or a computer of any system. It can be MacBook, it can be your classic Windows. Then grab your phone, locate your charging port, and let's insert our cable into our charging port. Now, we will need to locate two buttons, power button and your volume down and volume up button. So first of all, let's hold our power button plus volume down button. Keep on holding until your phone will go dark. Now hold your volume up button and release your volume down button. However, keep on holding your power button. And hold them all together until you will reach your recovery mode. In your recovery mode, you can navigate using your volume down and volume up button. Choose your wipe data / factory reset. Choose your factory data reset. Make a choice by pressing power button. And now simply press reboot system now and you are done. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.